the mall and we are gonna do a $10 vending machine challenge.
My day's fun adventures.
Okay, so right there is the coin changer.
And we need go up to 5.
Oh yeah. Oh, $5? Oh, okay. Okay, hold this.
Hey guys, I'm a little vlogger.
Alright, so here's $5. And some quarters. So where are we gonna go first?
Over here.
Oh, so brides, okay.
Over here.
Okay, and how much is this cost us?
4 quarters.
4 quarters. So this was cost us $8. Okay, go ahead.
We got the rims, the tires.
Right, a blue car. Awesome. You still have $9. I see a vending machine, Samaje. Oh look, we have different vending machines. We have toys, and the prices are 50 cents.
This one is $1.
$1. It's 2 quarters at a time. Okay, give it a good spin. Oh no. There you go. Okay, let's see what you got. Choose?
Yes.
I want a splinky. Yeah, so 2 quarters each right there, and another quarter, and that is $1. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, get the money.
Let's see what we got.
All right, $1.
Let's see what type you
Ooh. Okay, so we spent $4 so far. You want to try? Okay, this looks okay. That's only a quarter. Go ahead. Put your hand right there so it won't fall. I'm pretty sure that's a little one.
get. We got a ball. Let's see how high.
It's an eyeball. It's only a quarter. Go ahead and put my hand right there. Did we get anything, or is it a dud? Ooh, we got something. Okay, let's go. Look at all these colorful candies. I see green, rainbow color. Is it a... Did this machine get our money again? Oh no, I told you. No. Alright. Aw, boo.
I just got some free
Okay.
candy.
So it asked for 50 cents, but it took our quarter. Let's see. Oh, you got all those colorful bananas. Yellow, blue, green. All right, here, enjoy your candy. Oh, I see more vending machines here. Look.
We are gonna unbox these toys that we got from the vending machine. It looks like a fat bunny
Looks like a fat bunny.
with a sword.
Oh gosh, what is this?
We got this yellow hand.
Oh, it's a sticky hand. Ah, there you go.
See this?
Oh yeah, it sticks onto everything. There you go.
Oh, I just landed it right there. Next up, we got this green looking thing.
A green looking thing. What is that green looking thing? Sticky thing.
Oh,
But it's a do you know what this is?
a spike.
Yeah, spikes, right.
Give it to me.
Okay, here you go.
I'm gonna use this as a yo-yo. Next, we got this Patrick Star.
A pink Patrick Star.
A pink Patrick Star.
It looks similar to the sticky hand and the green spike ball that you got.
Yo-yo.
A yo-yo.
We got a Rubik's Cube.
A miniature Rubik's Cube.
I already mixed it up.
Yeah, right. We already opened that the other day.
I wasn't too impatient.
Yes.
I was like, come on, I want to open this. This will be it for this video. If you want to see more, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next fun adventures. Bye!
Bye. Thank you so much for watching.